This is the discussion 1996 A level essay question number 3 based on thermal conductivity. Okay, let's look at it. A cylindrical steam boiler made of a material of thermal conductivity 2.1 10 to the power 2 has a flat circular bottom of thickness 1 centimeter and area given. So, cylindrical vessel with a certain amount of thickness involved. So, conductivity 2.1 10 to the power 2 watt per meter per Kelvin, correct? Thickness is 1 centimeter, area is 10 to the power 2 centimeter square. 10 to the power 2 centimeter square. Yes. 10 to the power 2 centimeter square. Okay. The bottom of the boiler is heated uniformly by a gas burner. So imagine like a Bunsen burner. At the steady state, the boiler generates steam at 100 degrees Celsius. Boiler generates steam at 100 degrees Celsius at a rate of 40 grams per second. Heat loss to the surroundings is negligible. Calculate the temperature of the flame in the Bunsen burner. Assume the temperature is the same as the temperature at the bottom. So, rate in which heat is transferred as conduction is equal to K times A delta theta over delta L. Delta theta over delta L. You will go. Q dot is same as the rate in which steam is produced. K times A delta theta over delta L. Here it's given as 40 grams convert to kilograms per second. Latent heat of vaporization 2.27 10 to the power 6. Thermal conductivity 2.1 10 to the power 2. 10 to the power 2 10 to the power minus 4. 100 minus theta minus 100 into thickness 1 centimeter convert to meter. From this theta you can find in Celsius. Theta you can find in Celsius. That's going to be 532.4 Celsius. 532.4 Celsius. I will not waste time in a calculation, but we will discuss more about the theory. So heat is given here. Steam is formed. Steady state means the rate in which heat is given equal rate in which steam is formed. And that is given by this particular relationship. Okay. That is given by this particular relationship. Right. Next one. After a long usage of the boiler, a thin uniform material layer is formed on the inner surface of the bottom. Inner surface. After a long use of the boiler, a thin uniform layer, like let's say when your mother cooks in the aluminium pot, sometimes there is a black soot layer and then a small layer is formed at the bottom. So they say after long usage of the boiler, a thin uniform material layer is formed on the inner surface of at the bottom, and as a result, steam generation rate is 20 grams per second. If the thickness of the material layer is 0.1 centimeter, calculate its thermal conductivity. Use only standard formula for this calculation. Right. Now don't forget, Bunsen burner here at 532.4 degrees Celsius. Thickness is 1 centimeter. After long usage of the boiler, a thin uniform layer is formed on the inner surface. Inner surface like this. 0.1 centimeter. 0.1 centimeter. Steam is still formed at 100 degrees Celsius. Intermediate temperature is theta. Don't forget the rate in which heat is transferred, series connection will be constant, will be the same. They are asking you to find the thermal conductivity here. The thermal conductivity of the material here is given K cylinder. Here K substance we don't know. K substance we don't know. Okay. Right. Now what we can do is, I'll erase this. We can apply the relationship very carefully. How? So Q dot 1 is equal to K A delta theta 532.4 minus theta divided by 1 centimeter convert to meter. Also Q dot 1 is equal to K of the substance, same area, theta minus 100.1 centimeter convert to meter. Okay. What are they asking you? They are asking you to find the thermal conductivity of this. So what you can do is you can make the temperature subject theta minus 532.4, equation 1, equation 2. From equation 1, 532.4 minus theta, Q dot 1 10 to the power minus 2 Kc times A, 3. From equation number 2, theta minus 100 is Q dot 1 0.1 10 to the power minus 2 Ks times A. Add both the equations, 3 plus 4, theta cancel off, 532.4 minus 100, Q dot 1 common, area common, 10 to the power minus 2 Kc, 0.1 10 to the power minus 2 Ks. You can remember we have done this. Huh? We have found equivalent and all and that, but no need, we will do it like this. So from this we have 532.4 minus 100 is 432.4 times area divided by Q dot 1, bring that down, 10 to the power minus 2 1 over Kc plus 0.1 1 over Ks. 432.4 times area. Area will be the same area here, 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power minus 4. What is Q dot? Rate in which vaporization takes place. This is 2.1 10 to the power 2 K substance. Here 432.4 times 10 to the power minus 2, actually these cancel off. No need to write and waste space. 20 grams per convert to kilograms per second. 2.27 10 to the power 6. 1 over 210. 0.1 over Ks. Simplify it. Ks you can get watt per meter per Kelvin or watt per meter per Celsius. Watt per meter per Kelvin or watt per meter per Celsius. If you write the relationship, I think from here you can do the substitution. Equation there, don't forget. 20.99, that is 21 watt per meter per Kelvin. Watt per meter per Kelvin. Okay. Okay, no? Watt per meter per Kelvin. Right. Suppose the steam boiler, after removing the above mentioned layer, is to be converted into a hot water generator. Hot water at 60 is to be taken out continuously from this boiler at a constant rate by feeding it cold water at 30 degrees Celsius. Calculate the maximum rate at which hot water can be taken out from the boiler. Okay. So now what's going to happen is, Now what they're going to do is they're going to convert this into a hot water generator. Hot water generator. Water will come in at 30 degrees Celsius and water will leave at 60 degrees Celsius after boiling. Okay. So this is 210 watt per meter per Kelvin. Watt per meter per Kelvin. Okay. Right. Here 532.4 degrees Celsius earlier. Okay. They are asking you calculate the maximum rate at which hot water at 60 is taken out. So rate in which heat is given, rate heat is conducted equals rate heat is absorbed by water. So K times A delta theta over delta L, mass of water over T, specific heat capacity of water, change in temperature 60 minus 30. Okay? So K there, thermal conductivity already found. 210. Area is 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power minus 4. Change in temperature 532.4 minus what I got it? Water at 60 divided by 1 centimeter convert to meter. 1 centimeter convert to meter. They are asking you to find the maximum rate at which water can be taken out. NW over MT. Specific heat capacity of water 4180. 60 minus 30. Simplify this. You will get the rate in which water is taken out in kilogram per second. Rate in which water is taken out at kilogram per second, 0.79 kilogram per second, or approximately 0.9 or 0.8 kilogram per second. So these are difficult. Why is it not difficult? The rate in which heat is supplied equals rate in which heat is absorbed. Earlier steam was formed. Now we are just making it as a hot water generator absorbing heat. Okay. From there you can get your answer for Roman number 3. You can get your answer for Roman number 3. Okay. So you can see the theory, direct theory in thermal conduction is applied and you can get your answers. It's a matter of you knowing the theory correctly. If you know the theory and you have some level of experience, you can score marks. Okay. Right. This is the conclusion of 1996 A-level essay question number 3 on the thermal conduction.